Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is IZZAT SUFFIAN, and today I would like to share with you about nanomedicine. So do you know that in every 5 seconds there will be a person who's going to die due to cancer? And you know there are a lot of cancer treatments out there, and one of them is chemotherapy. So what is chemotherapy? So chemotherapy is a treatment that uses a specific drugs, or I can call it as anti-cancer drug, which can be used to kill cancer cells. However, because of these anti-cancer drugs are too toxic, they not just kill the cancer cells, but they also kill our healthy cells. Therefore, we have a lot of side effects, including hair losses, nausea, and then some of you might meet fatality due to this toxicity of this drug. The reason why is because the anti-cancer drug just go to our body and just go everywhere. They are not specific to cancer cells, they will localize to our other parts of tissues and also healthy cells. That's what causes the problems. Therefore, it would be much ideal if we could develop a new drug delivery system that only specific targeting our cancer cells without affecting our healthy cells, right? So here comes what I call it as nanoparticle. So what exactly is nanoparticle? So nanoparticle is a material. If you talk about size, it's about 100 nanometer in size that made from various types of materials. So how exactly nano is nano? So how small nano is nano? So if you compare to one hair strand and that accumulate of diameters of 100 nanoparticle. So that's how small is nanoparticle. So as I said earlier, a nanoparticle can be made from various types of material. That's including metals, which including silver, gold, iron, and then we have a polymer, which is synthetic, and then we also got lipid, for example liposome. We also got organic compounds such as carbon. So this material we can develop to become nanoparticle. What the relationship between nanoparticle, cancer drug, and cancer cell? So imagine like you are taking Grab to go to a destination. So without an address, you will not arrive to a correct destination, right? That's same with the nanoparticle and also cancer cells and cancer drugs. So cancer cells is like a destination, the cancer drug is like the passenger like us, and then the nanoparticles is like the car to bring the passenger to destination. So if you got a specific car to deliver your drug or a specific transportation to deliver your drug to a specific destination, which is the cancer cells, you will avoid to drop the passenger to other places. You will go specific, bringing the passenger to a correct direction or a correct location or destination. That's how nanoparticle works. So the nanoparticle will bring, or in a character, we will encapsulate the drugs inside of the nanoparticle and only bring the drugs to only arrive or localize at our cancer cells or the tumors. So here we can avoid the very toxic drugs to affect our healthy cells, but only able to kill cancer cells. So that's how exactly the nanoparticle works. And interestingly, our cancer cells actually have their own ID. Like us, we have our ID or card pengenalan, right? So each of cancer cells has their own ID. If we're able to recognize which ID belongs to which cancer cells, we can further localize or specific our transport, which is nanoparticle, to only arrive to a specific cancer type. For example, my nanoparticle A only arrive to reach brain cancer, and my nanoparticle B will arrive only to blood cancer, or my nanoparticle C will arrive only to my breast cancer. So these are the things that you can manipulate with nanoparticles, which telling you that how exactly nanomedicine work. That gives you a huge future for cancer therapy from now on. So I hope that should give you some idea what exactly nanomedicine and nanoparticle is all about. Thank you so much. I hope I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.